In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make invoice form template QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through how to record when a customer owes you money with an invoice and how to record what you owe a vendor with a bill. Follow along and you'll have clean, accurate records that flow straight into your reports. Let's start with creating an invoice. From your main screen, click the plus new button, then choose Invoice. Begin by selecting the customer. If the customer isn't already in your list, add them now so their billing details are saved for next time. Accurate customer information helps ensure delivery and proper tracking. Next, add your product or service details. Select the correct item, then enter the quantity and the rate. Take a moment to confirm the item name matches what you're selling, the quantity reflects what you delivered, and the rate is your agreed price. Small checks here prevent rework later and keep revenue totals accurate. Now set your dates and terms. Choose the invoice date, which is typically the date you provided the goods or services. Set the due date based on your agreement and select the terms such as net 15 or net 30. Terms help QuickBooks calculate when payment is due and drive reminders and reports, so pick the option that reflects your policy. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. This action records the transaction to accounts receivable, meaning QuickBooks now tracks the balance your customer owes. You can monitor unpaid invoices anytime in your reports, keeping an eye on who owes you, how much, and for how long. Now let's record what you owe a vendor by creating a bill. Click the plus new button again and select Bill. Choose the vendor from your list so the bill is tied to the right payee. Enter the bill date and the due date as shown on the document you received. Matching the vendor's stated due date helps you avoid late fees and keeps cash flow predictable. Add the details. Use category when you want to post the cost directly to an expense account, like office supplies or utilities. Use item details when you track inventory or specific services. Enter the amount and review it for accuracy against the vendor bill. Finally, click Save and Close. This posts the bill to accounts payable and it will appear in your payables report. From there, you'll know exactly what needs to be paid and when. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently create invoices and bills, keep your receivables and payables up to date, and get clear, reliable reports.